Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope everyone is doing well. May Almighty Allah bless you all. Always stay happy. Welcome to my YouTube channel Modern Decoration. So first of all, I am very thankful to you for subscribing my channel and watching my all previous videos and for staying connected with me. If you want to decorate your sweet home, then you have come to the right place. In this channel, we create decoration ideas just for you and we upload videos every day. So stay connected with us and watch all our previous videos. Thank you. Like this video and subscribe my channel. So as you all know, different people have different choices and they like different type of decoration ideas. In this channel we upload different type of decoration designs ideas. In this video, you will see some beautiful and stunning stairs lighting designs ideas for your home. So don't skip, watch this video till end. These designs are very marvelous. I hope everyone will love these designs. So that's the end. I will be back with some stunning decoration ideas very soon. Share this video with your friends and loved ones. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for new latest designs and ideas. Thank you. Goodbye viewers. Take good care of yourself and family members. I hope we will meet again soon. Allah Hafiz.